I cannot. I can't explain my hatred for rodents. I just can't. Gotta be freaking kidding me with this. These freaking things. They get into all my stuff and destroy it. You mother... Oh, it's fucking war now. It is fucking war. That's the reusable one. I got a lot of these. My fingers are so cold. Need no freaking safety. Get out of here with this. Two. All right, back to work. Found two more. Man, they couldn't get at this hard enough. Some of you will get it. Some of you won't. Now let's start with these. Bon appetit. No. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Nobody wants to mess with those people. Enjoy. Now for the actual reason that set me off. Let's see, they move back in. Nope. Just in case. Now, if any of you just coming in on this video and did not see my previous video, and I'm not taking this intake back off right now, the rodents built a gigantic nest in here. And they couldn't just do that. They chewed through the entire wiring harness going to the throttle body and the fuel system. And they're still just eating everything. Some nest back there. What? There we go. They can eat that. Bon appetit. And I don't know where they're getting into the garage from. Must have chewed a hole through something. But I'll leave a little rodent restaurant right there. I don't know if they've gotten into the truck. The truck did start. So I think they're getting in up in this corner somewhere somehow. I have no idea where. But it's not normal to have stuff hanging there. So I'll leave a little rodent restaurant right there. And the war continues. I'm gonna find more places, probably in my enclosed trailer. It's way out back, stored right now. I actually chewed a freaking hole through the trailer to get into the trailer so they can build houses into my salamander heater. But it's buried right now. I can't get to it. So that's it for now. I'll catch y'all later.